Oh boy, do I choose the worst days to work on my car. Hello y'all, I'm Connor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my Ford Focus ST. Today I'm gonna do boost lines for a boost gauge, which includes the sound composer delete, obviously a boost gauge, and a little bit of how to actually fit some of the cheaper style fittings. I've already recorded this whole video though, so all I can tell you is everything works just fine. I thought it was going to be completely different, but I figured it out as I went. I don't think I explained too much of that, but stay tuned. Time to get back in the garage. That's what we're installing today. I got some plastic in my teeth. Yeah. All right, now let's see this. All right, so this is a zip tie. That's what we need. That's all we need for today. Have a good day. All right, so I was just kidding around. Let's get this open. Well, that's great. All right, so this is the Stita Sound Composer Delete. And in the Sound Composer Delete kit, they come with a boost port and a block off, which I'm going to try my best to get this on today. But before we install it, we have to remove the old one, which is currently sitting right here. And taking off the cover usually is the best way to get to it. And you do have 3 bolts. You have this one, which is just a little bracket holder, and then the 2 bolts that are on the intake. All right, so it's an 8mm, all 3 of these bolts. You just gotta loosen them up. Okay, that was tight. Now that all the bolts are out, this will come out just like that. And, it's a little oily, but not too bad. All right, now that's off. I'm gonna leave this for a little bit. I have to go grab the new sound composer. I'm gonna probably install the block off so I can go to AutoZone and pick up a boost gauge. That should be just good enough so we can get to AutoZone. All right, put you guys down there so that I can install the new sound composer delete. It goes right here where you guys are looking. I have the 2 old bolts for it that I'm just going to reinstall. I'm going to put one in now just to recess it. Here we go. It's going right in. All right. Now let's go grab the last bolt. And don't forget to tighten them up real good, just like how they were before. Don't really have to worry too much. The threads are not plastic. They were a brass galvanized. All right, now that we do have that installed, let's see if any differences are. No check engine light. Seems to be running just fine. All right, so she's running just fine, as you can tell. The only problem, my phone just overheated slightly because I had you in the engine bay, and it's 100 degrees out right now, and I just put you down on the engine. That's all right. Now it's time to go off to AutoZone, go get a boost gauge. All right, so I went to AutoZone, got the boost gauge, and some extra lines just in case. All right, so I have removed the plug. All right, so I figured out how to actually use this new line with the sound composer and the boost gauge. So with the line kit, it has a flared retainer right there with a nut, and this grips on once you start tightening it. I did not know that at first, so I was, spending some time, just spinning nuts for no reason. And then I realized, oh, if I just tighten it down, it'll grab on to this and then create a vacuum. So I'm gonna hook this up to the boost gauge, rev the hell out of the car, and then you tell me how many pounds of boost we see. I actually found out I can see it at the same time. I can't really go to full boost right now because, well, I'm not driving. The car has a limiter, but we can see it working. Right there is about 5. Awesome. All right, so currently I am trying to extend this. So using all the pieces from the kit, I will put 2 wrenches like this, and the other, well, 1 wrench like this, the other wrench doing that, and just snug it up when the line doesn't want to fall off. I guess probably better to hold it like this, but see, tighten it up like that. I mean, it doesn't have to be fully tight, just, you just have to know it's sealed. And that should be good. Sorry, right there. Now I'm going to show you how to actually flare these on to the vacuum hose. So you take the point side up, the cone side, just like that, right on the vacuum. Wait, no, I did that wrong actually. You put the nut on here first, then you put the cone on. Flat side first, and you choose your desired length of hose you want out, just in case if something wants to blow a little further out. Then you start tightening it by hand, and then it'll stop. You can still move the vacuum line back and forth. I know you probably can't tell too much, but you can do it. Then you take your 2 wrenches. Let's see, I need the big one because this is a different nut now. So you take this one and you go back to your 3/8 on this one, and you snug them up again until it is fully flared on. And that should be all you can desire from that. All right, so all the vacuum lines are all buttoned up. They go along right where I need them to go. They're working right now, but it'll get buttoned up soon enough in better locations and better mounting. This was just to make it work for now, but I really am enjoying how it is. All right, so everything's all buttoned up. We're on our drive, and it looks like I've done everything right. Right now it's in vacuum, and just a second we can go right into boost and watch the gauge. Now mind you, it is nearly 100 degrees right now, so I'm not really gonna be pushing it completely to full boost. Thank you for watching this video. If you want better content than this, just hit that little subscribe button and like. I'll try to post more videos like this or better of my car, my friends' cars. If I get people coming into the shop here, all their cars. Stay tuned.